Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 21st of August. And first of all, national news. Centre approved rupees 200 crore to flood hit Himachal Pradesh. Needs surplus vehicles for G20, return them. Delhi police to officers. BJP working committee need to set Madhya Pradesh agenda begins in Gwalior. Keep stray animals off highways. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari to states. Adani operated Guwahati Airport first in Northeast to launch DG Yatra. The Weather Office issued an orange alert for the hill states of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. 21 Himachal dams to face legal action for breaching security norms. Now international news. World's oldest killer whale, Lolita, dies after 50 years in captivity. Thousands forced to flee homes as wildfire spreads on Spain's Tenerife Island. And now some sports news. Antim Panghal determined to shine in Asian Games World Championships. Star India shuttler PV Sindhu on Sunday reflected on her life-changing past 7 years. India's Anahat Singh clinched gold in Asian Junior Squash Championships. Spain beat England 1-0 to win 2023 FIFA Women's World Cup title. Sachin Tendulkar flagged off Mumbai half marathon. And Saudi football rose long-term project, top official said. Need just one perfect day to touch 90-meter mark, Neeraj Chopra. Lionel Messi made history, became most decorated footballer of all time. Akhil Sharan secured India's 5th Olympics quota in shooting. Asia to launch Women's Champions League next year. Now news related to business. Vegetable prices likely to cool down next month, Finance Ministry said. Finance Commission expected to be constituted by November end, Finance Secretary. Farm machinery sector may touch 15,000 crore in financial year 26. Indian economy shining as beacon of hope in challenging times, PM Modi said. Now news related to science. Russia's first moon mission in 47 years ended in a crash. All of Neptune clouds have vanished. Scientists blame it on the sun. And that's all in news. Thank you.